the self-love soiree, the best investment you can possibly make in yourself this Christmas. After such a unique year, getting together with the growing infinite self-love tribe, I've prepared a 4-hour workshop including sacred cacao ceremony and celebration session. This event is an intimate experience. This year it's virtual. This event is for those who wish to powerfully plan and call in their 2021 destiny from a strong foundation of self-love. We'll be wrapping up 2020 with a bow, extracting the lessons and wisdom, understanding what we're leaving behind, and do a cord cutting with anything that does not serve. Going forward into 2021 and powerfully creating a manifestation vortex of women to powerfully call in next year. You will meet and make special bonds with other women. You will go away connected with a clear plan going forward into 2021.